a new milestone of innovation and growth. Welcome to PTAES Natural Ingredients Indonesia, part of the Lam Seng Hang Group of companies, where our Cikarang plant and agri-plantation come together, and progress moves hand in hand with sustainability. From plantation to production, every step reflects our commitment to purity and traceability where natural resources meet technological excellence. Guided by sustainable farming practices, our plantations nurture the land responsibly, preserving soil health, protecting biodiversity, and reducing our carbon footprint. Each tree stands as a living commitment capturing carbon, supporting communities, and shaping a greener, more sustainable future for all. Built for precision and reliability, our facilities combine advanced technology with sustainable operations. Every process is designed to deliver consistent quality, ensuring excellence from raw materials to final delivery. Behind every achievement stand our people, professionals who take pride in every detail, ensuring excellence at every stage. Through their dedication and teamwork, they bring our values to life, driving innovation and sustaining our shared vision for a better tomorrow. Lam Seng Hang Group, advancing operations, empowering industries, and growing sustainably for generations to come.